Okay, YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm at the lake. I'm gonna show you where I kind of is messed up on the clip I showed you, the 1 minute and something seconds, something like that, or I don't know. Okay. Where you? Dang it, I'm gonna see. Hey, I'm gonna go to that next. Right here, that's not the lake. The lake ends there, a little further out, about like a foot out. That's where the lake ends. Hang on, I got a good example. Found some rocks. Sorry if my camera's shaking around. Right down there. You could get down to there. But out to the end of that tree right there, them branches, them ferns or bushes, that's where the end of the lake is at. There. I'm gonna show you some more areas. Yeah. This is what we get if you live in Florida. Floods. Here's a good example. Right here. Right where the shoe is at. All that right to that tree right down there, all grass. This whole tree right here is all grass. On the other side of the tree, it's a lake. The part inside of the lake. I'm gonna get around to the other side. Yeah, that's what this lake looks like when it's flooded. Same thing with this. That sign, on the other side of that sign, that's where you get inside of the lake at. Well, let's see what's inside of this sewer drain. Right in here, it's all flooded. That connects to that lake, right down there. I don't know how, I can't switch it back and forth. My phone, I can't do that on my phone. That's why I can't switch it back and forth. Yeah, just like I showed you, that sewer drain connects to this lake. Dang, there's a lot of trash came from this, came from somewhere. This whole thing is flooded. It conceded some, disintegrated some. Come catch this big bird on camera. Well, the bird was kind of moving faster than I could. I ain't trying to get myself dizzy. It's the best time if you're a fisherman anywhere If you fish at a lake anywhere and there's signs of crawfish and it flows like this, 100% sure you might catch 1 or 2 crawfish from out of this water. Well, there used to be a gator in this lake 10 years ago, 4 years ago. I don't know when. I forgot. Yeah. Yeah, this lake right here. It always floods like this on a rainy day like that. You got a pool right there. It used to be $1.50 to get in. Now I think it's $2, $3 to get in now. I don't know. I haven't been swimming in there since camp, when I used to go to this camp. I'll pick it up if I get on the other side of this part. All right, peace.